Hey y'all, and welcome back to another homegrown hydroponics cooking video. In this video, we will be cooking some fried rice using some homegrown veggies. For this recipe, we will need 2 cups of pre-cooked rice, 3 eggs, 1 cup of coconut flakes, 4 jalapenos, 1 bell pepper, 1 small bunch of green onions, some fresh kale, 1 lime, 4 garlic cloves, 1 cup of carrots, fresh cilantro, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of chili sauce, and finally some salt. Cut off the outer parts of the pepper. Next, dice up your bell pepper with the skin side down and cut into small pieces. Dice up all your green onions and add them to the bowl with the bell peppers. Dice your carrots into small pieces and then add them with the rest of the veggies. First, begin by prepping your jalapenos. Cut in half and remove the inner membrane and your seeds from the peppers. Dice into small pieces and set aside for later. Remove your garlic cloves from the garlic bulb. Begin peeling the skin from the garlic. Finally, mince garlic and set aside. Crack and whisk 3 eggs. After the pan is heated up, add eggs to the pan and constantly work. Scramble eggs and cook to a soft finish. Set them aside for later. Pour all your veggies into the pan. Season veggies with light salt. Stir in your minced garlic. Cover veggies with foil and continue to cook until they are tender. Add chopped kale to the pan and begin cooking down your kale. Mix kale into veggies. Season with light salt. After the kale has been cooked down, remove from heat and set aside. Pour oil into a pan and begin heating over medium heat. Sprinkle coconut flakes into the pan and cook until the flakes are gold in color. Move the coconut flakes constantly and make sure not to burn. Once the flakes have gained a golden color, add your cooked rice to the pan. Mix rice and coconut flakes together. Next, fold in your eggs and veggies into your warm rice. Once rice, eggs, and veggies are mixed completely, add soy sauce and begin mixing everything together. Finally, add your chili sauce and give it one last mixing. Top with cilantro and serve with a slice of lime. We hope that you enjoyed this video and thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can stay up to date on our latest videos. Follow us on social media for more videos, recipes, and updates. If you're interested in having your own hydroponic garden and growing your own veggies like the ones used in this video, follow the links in the description and start making fresher, healthier, and more nutritious meals from the comfort of your own home.